Hello, little artists. Welcome to our fun drawing class. Today we are going to draw a beautiful rainbow. Are you ready? Let's draw together. Hello, little artists. Welcome to our fun drawing class. Today we are going to draw a beautiful rainbow. Grab your crayons or pencils and get ready. Let's draw together. Are you ready? Step 1. Draw the rainbow first. Let's draw a big curved line. Make another curved line under it and another one. And another one. Wow, our rainbow is taking shape. Learn the rainbow colors. Now it's time to color our rainbow. Do you know the colors of a rainbow? Let's say them together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Great job. Coloring the rainbow. Let's color each part of our rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Look, our rainbow is beautiful. Step 3. Add clouds. Let's make our rainbow even more beautiful. Draw a cute little cloud here. And another cloud over here. Let's color the clouds white. Beautiful. Learning time now. Let's learn something interesting. A rainbow usually appears when sunlight and water droplets are in the air, and we can see different colors in the rainbow. Let's count the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you remember all 6 colors? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Excellent. Quiz, Q1 and Q2. Okay, little artists, it's quiz time. Question 1. What color comes first, red or blue? Pause. Yes, red. Question 2. What color comes after yellow, green or purple? Pause. That's right, green. Look at your beautiful rainbow. You did an amazing job today. Don't worry if your drawing isn't perfect. Keep practicing, and every day you will become a better little artist. If you enjoyed drawing with us, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to come back for our next fun drawing lesson. Bye-bye, little artists.